because of the super strong winds from the storm, the power went out for a super long time and went back on at 6:01 p.m. the next day. Now, from a shorter EAS compilation, you wouldn't expect something like this all that much. But that did happen. The wind was like absolutely crazy and it snapped 2 power poles, which caused the power outage, which was the reason why it lasted so long. Like I said, from a shorter EAS compilation, I wasn't expecting something as close to something like this. But boy, was I wrong. Here comes EAS compilation number 4. It is a shorter one, but still just as bad. Ooh. I don't know what this is. What is it? Severe thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 329.
What? 329? This one? They're counting that one?
Close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Okay, hold on, just 1 second. I don't think they even, it doesn't even say that's issued anywhere. Oh, wait, never mind, it's right here. Oh, yeah, it's like all right there. Yeah? Oh, yeah, really? Had to say that twice, huh? That was unexpected. I didn't even see this one. I'm gonna save that. Yeah, I didn't see that watch. You're being laggy.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County, Oklahoma, southeastern Woods County in northwestern Oklahoma, Alfalfa County in northwestern Oklahoma, northern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, Grant County in northern Oklahoma,
Why did you take so long to issue that?
Until 10:15.
Why did you take so long? It's 9:33 and this thing got issued at like a few minutes ago. This got issued 3 minutes ago. You were 3 minutes late.
To 3 miles east of Canton.
Something else. Brian and Atoka, don't care.
This is a radar indicated threat.
You're really late.
Attacks are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Enid, Fairview, Cherokee, Medford, Tennessee, Helena, Wacomas, Joaquin, Pond Creek, Lahoma, Ringwood, Drummond, Carmen, Waukeeta, Cleo Springs, Longdale, Kremlin, Goldtree, Breckenridge, and Ems. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
The weather radio toning really late is not gonna be good for in the middle of the night because it's just gonna be so delayed and it won't give me any time to really capture the alert from the beginning, which really stinks about that one. I don't know what else there is. Let's go again.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kingfisher County in
Just go. Just go.
southwestern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, Custer County in western Oklahoma, Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Dewey County in northwestern Oklahoma, southern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Madrid County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma,
wow.
until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Gosh dang, I just want to watch a movie on this thing. How many counties? How big is this? Oh, this looks bad. Really bad.
Hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage.
Okay.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Clinton, Watonga, Kingfisher, Taloga, Tennessee, Crescent, Lacomers, Erie, Okarche, Okeen, Thomas, Hydro, Cashton, Arapahoe, Canton, Covington, Calumet, Dover, and Drummond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
What are you doing?
The National Weather Service has
Oh! Can't even turn it up because it's lagging.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washita County in western Oklahoma, Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma.
Dude, like, what?
Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma.
Just like all of Oklahoma County?
Canadian County in central Oklahoma. Northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, western Payne County in central Oklahoma, southern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles southwest of Hennessy to 6 miles west of Okarche to 5 miles south of Hydro, moving east at 40 miles an hour.
It's kind of specific.
Hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
The following impacts are expected.
Hail damage to
The vehicles
vehicles
is expected. The expected wind
considerable tree damage.
Oh,
Wind damage is
It's also
likely
likely.
to mobile homes, roofs,
Yeah, whatever.
and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City,
Yeah.
Moore, Midwest City, Del City, El Reno, Guthrie, Newcastle, Harry, Kingfisher, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres.
So you're telling me that this
Tuttle,
is like all in Oklahoma
Spencer,
City?
Nichols Hills, and Hinton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. The National Weather Service in Norman.
This is what I mean. You tell them way too late.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for
Tornado warning?
western Noble County in northern
What?
Logan County in central Oklahoma, west central Payne County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight.
Tornado! First tornado in quite a bit.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Marshall, moving east
Okay, wow.
an hour.
It's not for me, but it's kind of close.
Golf ball size hail.
Golf ball.
Indicated through rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marshall and Orlando, This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 173 and 185. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National
Alright, that was that. Okay. I'm recording right now because. Oh! Yeah, there goes that. I'm recording right now because, it's windy, very windy out there. Dad actually wanted me to turn that back on. It's very windy out there. Shush. Shush kebabs.
Yeah, that keeps happening.
Okay, I'm gonna give this thing some, batteries. The power keeps going out for a second. The more this thing is gonna. There it goes. This thing is. It's being very demonic now. Gosh. This thing already has batteries in it? Oh boy. Yeah. Wow. Okay. All the batteries are gone. Well, I didn't even know there were previous batteries in it. Okay. Then this one's like. Oh my gosh, bro. The power's completely out. I need this thing plugged in right now. Ooh, wow, the winds are gusting. Very gusting a lot. This is not good. The cat is here with the dog, and they don't like each other very much. Dude, this power has been out for a while. And I wasn't recording, but that station went out for a while too. Oh boy. This is why I should have put it on display. Oh, please. Don't be so loud. I don't know if that interests our county. The dog is really, really scared.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Stillwater, Cushing, Chandler, Stroud, Creek, Yale, Meeker, Davenport, Morrison, Glencoe, Ripley, Agra, Sparks, Warwick, Kendrick, Key, Avery, Bales, Parkland, and Centerview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Dude, this one is like back to back. Hey, that one's actually earlier. Garvin, Seminole. Oh boy. Lincoln. Stop, quit trying to bite my hand, okay? You're scared, aren't you? Oh my gosh, this one issued like right after the last one. Quit it. Quit it. Dude, just calm down. Calm down, buddy.
The following events are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include southeastern Oklahoma City, Norman, Shawnee, Suno, Tecumseh, Falls Valley, Purcell, Trenton, Aaron, Swampy,
You're getting kind of crazy. Oh, scoop that.
Lexington, Pink, Goldby, Spencer, and Compilation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National
All this is happening. I don't want to miss any of it. Unless it gets too late. Could you calm down? Thank you. Another one, man.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oklahoma County.
Hey, quit. Stop. Quit that. Don't play with this. Yeah, this thing too. It's a little.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles south of Calumet Junior Jones, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a recurring
Hi, dang dog.
expected hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, locations of Oklahoma City, Norman, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Stillwater, Dell City, Guthrie, Nashville,
Man, Sprocket's got them glowing eyes.
Village, Aaron.
I don't know if I should just ignore this and just go to bed. It's kind of late.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in